Hello guys, this is German again in order just my review, and as you guys can see, well, I got that light on my panel. Basically system cannot operate. And don't panic guys, if you guys see these in your Ridgelines, basically models from the 21, that's the one I got, and up, probably you guys with older models you already know about these, but if you are new with the Ridgeline and you got this system off, especially when you're driving in a real bad condition like snow, you guys will see the system automatically shut off, and you guys will see this message in your dashboard. And this is to prevent a collision. And let's say you're driving, I don't know if you guys notice, when you guys get close to a car, especially when it's in a regular day, you are in the rush and somebody cut you off or something like that, and maybe you see, oh, well, this guy is almost hit me, and then suddenly your Ridgeline push the brakes for you. Well, that's the same situation, trying to prevent an accident. Just think about if you are in a snow and you got a driving on a highway and you behind a car, there's some kind of a snowball or something hit your sensor, and then the sensor is assuming that you are about to get an accident and it brakes for you. It's gonna be real bad. It's gonna be a real bad. You guys can have a real bad accident, and you know, for that reason the system automatically shut off. And you know, that's why I'm telling you guys, don't get panic. You know, just wait. You know, if you're coming back from snow or rain or whatever, just wait till the system clear out, and you know, the system is gonna be off away after the snow or whatever. If it's dirty, it's blocking the sensor or whatever, it's clean up, then the system is gonna get back to normal. It's just something that Honda installed in the vehicles in order to prevent a real bad accident. You guys can check your manual, and if you guys go to the page 430, for example, this is in my case in the Honda Ridgeline 2021, you guys go and check the page 430, you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right guys, well, I'm driving right here on my way to work, and well, as you guys see here, can you move the phone over here? Yeah, thank you. And as you guys can see right here, a little bit closer, yeah, by the right there, you guys can see the panel is already clear, and as you guys can see, we are on the street, and the message or the error on the panel is cleared out. As soon as you know the snow dissipates, it's gonna remove instantly. The reason why it stays there is because, you know, the snow blocked the sensor, and basically the system of Honda stopped the vehicle from do the emergency brake, and this is a feature in order to protect us in case of something real bad happens. All right guys, well, that's it. There you guys have it. Don't panic if you see the system off and everything. It's normal. It's part of the system that Honda created in the vehicle. It's very smart. That way, you know, we don't gonna get involved in another accident. All right, well guys, take it easy. God bless you all, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.